no makeup. I wanted to be all naked with my face in this video so that you can understand how much this skincare has affected me and how much good result it has given me. So I have got this confidence after a very long time to get all without makeup in front of you all, in front of this camera, to show what result I have got out of this skincare routine. So you can already see that my face has got all glowing. So you can also try this method and let me know if it has helped you as well or not. So I have nothing on my face except this lipstick. Hello my trendy mates, welcome back to my channel, or if you are new here, then welcome to my channel. I am Bonani and you are watching me on The Trend Enthusiast. So today I have thought of sharing my skincare routine with you all, which I have followed throughout this quarantine days, throughout this lockdown, and I have got a great result out of it. It's all natural and it's all that you get at your home, so you can follow it every day or in alternative days to get the best result out of it, just like I have got my result. So if you want to know how I have done this, then please keep on watching this video till the end and let me know if you have any suggestions at the end of the video, and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. So without wasting any more time, let's just get into the video. natural glowing skincare routine which I follow at home and which I have been following throughout this lockdown to keep myself all glowing and to get back the radiance that my skin already had earlier, which got lost due to a lot of pollution that I used to face every day. So if you also want to enhance your glowing skin during this lockdown period, during this period when you are at home and not facing any pollution, then you can try this remedy at home. And yes, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to comment down below, and if you have any suggestion anywhere, don't forget to mention it in the comment section below. I will surely keep it in mind next time. And please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and also press that bell icon beside the subscribe button so that you never miss any of my update. So till then, bye bye.